Okay, so today we are going to learn about cell. So, this is me, Nimit and zooming in. And so, first, let us learn about the basic of cells. So, these cells, basic three parts are the cell membrane, nucleus, and the cytoplasm. Let me mention it. Okay, so these are the basic parts, and everyone knows this. And then let us learn about more parts. So, nucleus is where the DNA is stored. Okay, and so nucleus uses this DNA storage. And next is rough endoplasmic reticulum. It has some packed ribosomes sticking to it. What? Ribosomes? I will explain you later. Just do it. Okay. And next is Golgi apparatus. So, the Golgi apparatus. Let me explain. Golgi apparatus is used in immune cells, like T cells. So, let me explain you about this. So, your body has recognized a pathogen or germs for understandment has came into our body, and the body has known. So T cells start making antibodies inside the cell, and so Golgi apparatus is the covering of the antibody, and after it ventures outside of the cell, this is removed, the covering, and recycled many times. Recycled. अभी नहीं बन रहा क्या? And then, so this is the use of Golgi apparatus. Packaging of antibodies. Okay, and next is centrioles. It just make it it tells the antibodies the location. Maybe it tells the location of the germ. And the next is cytoplasm. It is basically just a liquid inside the cell. And I may tell you the combined use of centrioles, of cytoplasm, and lysosome that is produced in saliva and tears to kill any germs present. And next is ribosomes. It makes proteins. Well, proteins for Yeah, some proteins can be used for creating new cells. Some proteins can be used for creating the new cells, etc., etc. And next is mitochondria. It makes energy for the cell itself, and like ATP. I may make a separate video on ATP and the full form I will explain in another video. And cell membrane. It's the covering of the cell and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. I will tell you in my next video. And so, these are the parts of the cell. And let me tell you why the cell is useful. So, there are many different cells in every organs and cell. Cells function are some cells kill germs. And so next use. Well, next use it's a diagram. So I will explain the diagram. So let me tell you about how life is formed by cell. So cell forms tissues, group of cells, and then tissue forms organs. For example, let's take cardiac muscles. And then cells form tissue. For example, the cardiac muscle. Yeah. Cell two, but some. So some creates comes into muscle. So well, and then this muscle makes the heart. Let me just explain you by a simple shape. And then it makes the organ system like the circulatory system. Okay, these are the blood vessels branching out, and then organ system forms an organism just like humans. Okay?
To say that cell are the basic
Yeah.
unit of any
Cell are the basic unit of the cell.
of any organism.
Yeah, of any organism. But in higher standards, cells are made by some organs like I explained some here mitochondria and ribosomes. And then these are made by proteins. Proteins are made by DNA. And then the smallest unit is an atom. It makes everything through this molecule, through this whiteboard, through this duster, etc., etc. So let me just tell you a simple atom. And there are also smaller stem atoms like I will explain you protons of positive charge in red, neutrons of negative charge in blue, and electrons in green. These are the most smallest thing ever recorded ever. So let in this standard at third you may only be explained that in some schools that the cell is the basic form of life. Okay, so next important point, cells are made of three basic parts. They are cytoplasm, cell membrane, and nucleus. Okay, these are the three basic parts of cell. So thank you. Please like and subscribe my video channel. This is me, Nimit Chan, zooming out.